Okay, alright guys, I'm going to show you how to assign a static and IP address. So first, we're going to assign a static IP address. The first thing you need to do is search the control panel. So here is the control panel. Click on that. Okay. So next is click on the network and internet. Here is the network and internet. Then click the network and sharing center. So now you're going to see your active network or your active connections. So next is click the change adapter setting. So you're going to click that and click your active network or your active connection. So I'm on wired now. I'm using a LAN cable, so click on that. Right click on that and select properties. Then click on the TCP IP version 4 or the Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Now you're going to see this. In assigning static IP address, click use the following IP address. So we're going to click that and now you're going to assign. So if you don't know what is your default gateway, just type on CMD. So we're going to type CMD and type ipconfig. Now you're going to see your default gateway and your recent IP address. So our recent IP address is 192.168.16.102, while the default gateway is 192.168.16.1. So now we know the default gateway. Just type in your default gateway. So it's 192.116. Is that 116? 168. 168.1.1. So now it's 192.168.1.16.1. Okay, so let's check. Okay. Then assign your IP address now. So since it's a class C IP address, the 1 to 3 octet is the network. So it's your base. It's 192.168.16, and I want to assign 56. So 56. Then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So the next is write or type the preferred DNS server. So now then click OK, and now it's now okay. So now let's see if we'll type ipconfig, and our IP address now is 192.168.16.56, which is the one that we assigned Okay, so earlier we assigned our IP address static, and our IP address earlier is 192.168.16.56. Now we're going to turn back our IP address into dynamic. So in assigning your IP address dynamic, just type on control panel, click on that, click on the network and internet, click on the network and sharing center. Now you're going to see your active connections, then click on the change adapter setting, click on your active network. So I'm using LAN cable, so I'm on wired. Click on properties, then click on TCP IP version 4 and select properties. And now just click on obtain an IP address automatically, and then that way your IP address will be in dynamic. So just click on that and here also, and press OK. Close. And now you assign your IP address dynamically. So to check on that, type cmd, type ipconfig, and that's it. Your IP address is 192.168.16.102.